Okay, what we're going to do today is take a look at the Mockingbird comic project. On our previous assignment was the chapter planning worksheet that we had done. Let's bring up that picture here. That included plot, theme, a title from that theme, quotes, and a reflection. That covered our level 1, 2, and 3 questions and answer types. Now it's time to put all that research into work as we're going to build an illustrated version, sort of a comic book of Mockingbird. All right. Your task is you will illustrate your chapter that we chose earlier using construction paper cutouts. Have right here, and I'll show you how that works in a second. And you'll add your summary, you'll discuss your theme, you'll give a title, and you'll share your thematic reflection. Let's take a look at the entire document here. Oh, whoa, make it big. There we go. And process is using the planning worksheet you did and the 2 to 4 sketches that you already had on back as your medium, or you create on the back, you will create chapter illustrations using the colored construction paper and gluing it to a solid background. All right? On one page, you'll write the following. You begin with your chapter number and a title. Remember, your title must reflect your theme. It's going to look a lot like the one over here on the bottom, where it says Chapter X and title. Then you're going to under the subheading of summary, write 1 to 2 paragraphs summarizing the chapter. This is the plot. Include all necessary details and form a well-written paragraph with complete sentences. Under the subheading of theme, write 1 to 2 paragraphs identifying and explaining the theme. Include at least 2 quotes in either the theme and or the artwork. So those quotes can be like a bubble that comes up from a character talking, or you're going to be putting the quote as you're explaining your theme. Under the subheading here, you're going to write, it's kind of a bad circle there, but you're going to write your 1 to 2 paragraph on your reflection, where you relate the theme to something in your real life. Since you're working in pairs, each person must contribute their own reflection. And remember, on the reflective part, this is our level 3 questioning and answering. You do not mention Mockingbird or any of the characters, but you take a theme that you found, prejudice, but it might be social prejudice or racial prejudice, and you find a place in your life where maybe you have experienced or seen that happen. When you type, you will type in size 12 font. Let's move back here to type in size 12 font. We're down here on number 6, and single spaced with extra line space between paragraphs is okay. You can do the 1.15 spacing that Google Docs normally does if you use that. You may bold and or underline your headings. Headings should be on their own line, and be sure to type your name and period at the end of your paper. We will be in the library on Friday, which is the only day in class you will have to use the computers to type that paper. You will also have your quiz to do. If you're unable to complete it in the library at this time, you'll need to finish it up as homework. All right. The grading will be, as you can see, 25% on the artwork, 25% on the summary you write, 25% on the theme, which includes an appropriate title that reflects the theme, and 25% on the reflection. Of course, the quality of your writing as well as the quality of the answer are both important. All right, so on the back of your sheet, what it's going to look like is you'll have a minimum of 2 artwork panels here. The artwork panel 1, 2, if you have more, that's fine, you can add to it. Each one of those panels there will be a regular sheet of paper, and underneath it you will have another piece of paper typed up and printed that will have your summary, your theme, your reflection, and if you need a second page, you can put your partners there. Okay, so that's it. Get to work and have fun.